Alright. Hey, alright Melvin. You want your face in the shot or no? Nice. So this is my friend Melvin. And today he's come over here to visit me. Now, the birds hatched and they're almost full grown adults. They're wanting to be fed. I don't know if I can get a really good shot at it, but yeah. Birds.
How many are there?
Fuck, it's four, man. There's four in there.
Four. One, two, three, four. How many niggers are there, must?
I know you'll steal it. What the fuck? Dude.
I'm sorry, but I'm a Autobot
You're
here.
scaring the freaking birds, man. You're scaring the birds.
I thought it was the mother.
And bird update number 2. Really, though, this is crazy. Hey, see that? They're hungry. They hear us. They think we're their mom. They think
We're not your mothers or your fathers.
we're your brothers.
Forget that. I will conda forever.
Do you know the way? No, you don't, because you baby. Okay. Oh no, man. Let's stop harassing the birds, okay? Alright. Alright.
And we get back to
wait, take a picture. Wait, watch. Wait, do this.
And this is my buddy.
Pick up on birds.
Yeah.
It's a wild lady that's got habitat.
Yeah.